Hello everybody, and we are back, and we are slaying some spires. We have now done a run of everyone, except our boy the Defect, who is thick as hell. I don't know what they've done to my son, but he's been hitting the gym. Ooh, these are all kind of incredible. These may be my favorite 3 choices in a row now. You know what? Give me the shiz. Cut a strike, cut a defend. 2 removal is crazy good. Now, you know me. And once upon a time... Oh, sorry. I've got... Oh, wait, it changes color depending on your character. That's cute. Once upon a time, I was all about the elites. The relics have been awful. You know what's been incredible? The random events from the unknown spots. We can see which one of these we want to go to. And then we definitely want to go up here, I think. And then we can decide if we want to take an elite. I think this is a good path. So how's everybody doing? How's everyone enjoying the Slay the Spire? I think we defend once, and we zap once, and we smack the slug at the front. Now, Defect was one of my favorite characters in Slay the Spire 1. He was also, maybe just the easiest one, though, in fairness. We're taking damage here no matter what. Ow. It's maybe more damage than I would have liked. Yeah, cool, this is fine. Bushka, Bushka. 1 health. We can deal with 1 health. Just bonk him on the noggin. What have we got? Draw 2 cards when a status card is created. Interesting. Now, I do be liking a sweeping beam. I think I might keep the deck thin. I think I'm going to go real thin deck hours. God damn it, it's a freaking guy. I didn't want it to be a guy. I wanted it to be an event. How dare you? I mean, yeah, we're weak, so I'll just do one of these. Could you, like, cut it out? Where's your, like, debuffed? Oh, here we go. This will do it. Pushka, Pushka. What do we got? If this kills an enemy, gain 3. Not good enough. I do like cool-headed, but I'm keeping it thin. I'm looking for a card to set the build at the moment. And none of those are it. Not just yet. This is bad. I'm going to be taking, what, 3 damage? Maybe I should have dual casted. What are these guys? They evoke for 8. That's 16 damage, actually. I definitely should have dual casted. It's fine. Dual cast will appear next turn, and it won't matter. Choose a card in your draw pile and add it to your hand. Oh. Now this is a card you can set your build around. Yeah, I think we take the claw. We're doing a draw build. Hello. I have not seen this fellow before. Money, money. Oh, you hit rather hard. We're taking a lot of damage, which is bad. So, 18. They're weak every fucking time, man. Uh-oh. Hold on, he's buffing. This does the 18. Nope, it does not quite 18. It's 2 gremlins! You son of a bitch, that's so cute! Uh-oh. 6, 12. Get lucky. Thank you. I'll take my money back, please. 5 damage twice. Play a random attack from your draw pile. That's kind of cool. I'm kind of thinking maybe momentum strike, but it's fine. We're just gonna keep chugging here. And I think we maybe take the claw. Actually, zap and dual cast becoming free are really good. Uh-oh, that's a cultist boy. Okay. I've also started thinking maybe block more important than attack in this game. Because boys hurt. They're not attacking for you like 3 or 4 damage in this game. No, they're beating the ever-loving shit out of you. Now see this guy. That's annoying. 6. Never mind, he's dead. Things are just like beating the brakes off you. Channel 2 glass. What is glass? Deals damage to all enemies, decrease damage every turn. That's a new one. I'm gonna skip though. Take me to the fire. Smith me. Dual cast for free? Claw scale faster. Oop, sorry, that's my alarm. I really like genetic algorithm. I really like secret weapon. I really like the idea of removing another strike. Hatchet's good. I think we're happy with that. This deck may lose very early. I could use a nice power. Uh-oh. Pushka, pushka, pushka. Honestly, crap. So you could die to the lightning. You did not die to the lightning. Frail sucks. Big money, no whammies. Thank you. Exactly what I wanted. I mean, I just wanted it to hit the back one. Hitting the front one's gravy. What do you got for me? Deal 4 damage 3 times out of slimed. This is another new one. But it's gonna be leap because gaining 12 block off one card. Really? Wait. Hold on. Block more important. Double cultist? What is it, my birthday? That's a joke. This will be an awful fight. Caw. Okay, zap me. Leap me. Strike me. Defend me. Because this guy at the back, he's gonna be scaling. That's... Actually, it could be worse. There's my free zap. My leap. And probably 2 strikes, because you're going to keep ramping here. And that worries me. Dual cast and claw does him in. What do we got? I do like beam cell. But I do like the extra draw too. Who are we fighting? Oh, fuck. I'll take the draw. So, I'm gonna bury the lead a little bit here. I have played a little bit, not on this profile, don't worry, on this profile, just for YouTube. Just because a couple of mates have also picked up the game, and we want to try out the multiplayer. I have met this fish before. This fish is not your friend. Give me the free dual cast. I have never seen this man before in my life. What are you gonna do to me? Smoggy. Oh, that's a death sentence for my deck. I want to take the 5 here? Probably not, right? 8 is bad, but as long as it gives me the leap, we're pretty happy. Oh, wait, it summons a guy. Okay, this is terrible. I think we just block again. Oh, 2 of them, huh? You know what? Yeah. Channel the 2 glass, add another leap. No, I'm good. Please be good. Hey! Yeah, I'll take an upgraded rare power. I love defrag. Okay. We're going to rest, which is a cardinal sin for a guy like me. But, if we... The run's good, is the thing. This makes the run even better. This makes the run even better. 16's a lot of damage. It's fine. Because we have these orbs, we're doing 10 damage a turn no matter what. Okay, we zap, we claw, we beckon, we beam, and we hopefully draw something good. Perfect. We're not taking damage, we're dealing 15 a turn. Now, I think this guy is overtuned. So, you might be looking at these things and, hey, that doesn't seem so bad. I mean, cost 1, if it stays in your hand, you lose 6, right? So, see how it says lose 6 HP, not deal 6 damage? That's through block. And he is going to keep adding these fucking things throughout the entire fight. And, if anything, it kind of speeds up for me. Also, he becomes intangible. This dude is so annoying as a first floor boss. My guy here sucks, and I hate him. And look, see, he's adding another 2 of those things to my damn deck. For a thin deck guy like me, this shit is a death sentence. That was a pretty solid hit, though. But, ow. We're dead if we don't play our potion. Okay, I was gonna say we may be dead anyway, but no, we did get a block. Thank Christ. So we need to kill him this turn. That's not good. That's really not good, my guy. I needed to draw some attacks, because now he's intangible. At the end of turn, I think I'm okay. Right? Yes. Woo! 6 health wonder, baby. I mean, Coolant's 3 block a turn. Multicast is a good way to spend some extra energy. I mean, consistent block is nice. But we are kind of going lightning. Maybe we just take the multicast. I'm pretty sure if we upgrade it becomes X+1. Greetings! Not here to annoy me. What an unusual little construct. Do I want to upgrade 4 cards? 1, 2, 3, and maybe a defend? Or I can spend 5 gold to gain an energy. We don't really need the energy, so I guess I'm taking the cookie. 1, 2, 3, and... yeah, the defend. Yeah, okay, X+1. So it's a free evoke. So, we would like to hit... rests aren't as important anymore, so we probably just want to hit big question marks. And we do want to hit the shop, too. Yeah, I'm thinking we go shoop, 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 and then up the middle path. So let's go. It's the crab man. We defrag. We block. We sweep. We hope for a 0 cost. We didn't get it. 13. Do we want to deal 20 damage to you? I mean, we're basically guaranteed to draw another lightning orb. I'll cast that for funsies. There it is. Bushka. Bushka. We really need another orb generator, though. We've got 2 consumers and only 1 generator now. 32. So this will deal 40 damage, which will actually pull you out. Perfect. Zap me. Leap me. Beam me. You know what? I think I'd rather keep... Oh, wait. Trigger all light. Oh, now see, this is kind of what we want. I'm a big fan. It's 0 cost. We want draw. I am sure as shit not adding clumsy to my deck. Give me gold. I do not like these men. No, I do not. And I'd rather keep my orbs, I think. Bushka. Bushka. Sweeping. Goodbye. Zap him. Defend him. I tried. If it hit him twice. Oh, wait, no. It wouldn't have done it anyway, because I didn't have defrag yet. Dual cast now, though. And you'll die to the lightning. Bada bishka, bada bushka. I really like both of these. Like, we're hunting for draw at the moment. But a lot of draw comes with the downside of adding a status card. This is a card for the future, not a card for the now. How risky is this path? Not very. We'll enter a little bit deeper. In fact, let's go a little bit deeper. Every 4 turns, draw 2 additional cards. In fact, let's go a little bit deeper. With the final lunge, you grab hold of the pollinous core. The plant shudders violently. Its petals go dull and the tingling stops. It became worthless muck. I killed it. Give me 1 of 5 random cards. Gain 2 focus for this turn for each unique orb you have. I think give me Capacitor for now. I think Capacitor's fine, but I don't like that the deck is becoming thick. I specifically requested. It didn't do that. Owie. My weakness. Okay. We defrag, we defend, we leap, we claw. We didn't get rid of the capacitor, but we're taking no damage, and you're stunned, so I hate you. 3, so this will deal 13 damage. You're both at 10, so roll them bones. Well, we got one of them. Play this, play this, play this. Unfortunate. He was gonna wake up anyway. Give me the zap. Give me the leap. Sweep him. 16, we probably want to block again. And we'll claw. Claw good. I love claw. Claw's my guy. This will deal 40 damage, which is not quite enough. This will deal 20 damage, which is quite nice. But I think I'd rather keep it up, because I don't know what I'm actually... I should have played the capacitor. What am I doing? I was fully blocked. Zap me. Sweep me. Coil me. Push, push, push. And then the dual cast. And the strike. There we go. Ooh. Dark is still in the game. Okay. When Evoke deals damage to the enemy with the least HP, increases damage every turn. I really like Dark. But we're not taking none of this. I need card draw, game. Bring it to me. Please. Give me the Tesla coil upgrade. Oh, you know my ass loves Orichalcum. Orichalcum is the best. I think we play it safe and rest here. There's nothing... Oh, please don't be the worm. You motherfucker. As soon as I came in here, I was like, wait a minute, this is gonna be the worm, isn't it? Every goddamn time with your bullshit, Mr. Worm. Oh, that's bad. We're gonna have a hard time because a lot of our damage is random targets here. Our sweeping beam helps, though. Okay, who's got the most health? It's you. This, honestly, might be energy potion time. Clean the deck out a bit. Ow. 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 Ow, sweep me. It's good. I really... 25 HP. Look, this blocks 14 damage. I can't not block 14 damage. I really need another lightning generator. Oh, wait, hold on. Hold on. We got it. It's fine. Don't even worry about it. Oh my god. For me? But this is draw. Reboot is really good. But if we get different draw, then we've got a second claw. And my ass loves claw. And you know, I am going to rest again. Because none of these cards are desperate for an upgrade. Please be good. Give me draw. Oh my god. So we're taking Feral. There's so many cards here I want. Feral is non-negotiable. Flash is draw. I love hologram. Removal is important. What do we cut now? I think we cut another strike. And I really like FTL. Like, I really like FTL. I like Mayhem as well, but I don't think Mayhem's as important to the build. I'm taking FTL. Look, we said we needed draw. We got, like, all draw. Okay. Iteration. This is an awful opener. I think I'm just going to deal 30 damage to you. Never mind, I forgot. I don't have the thing yet. I'm going to deal some damage to you, but not enough. Okay. Oh, perfect. Feral me. Claw me. Claw me. Zap me. Flash me. Claw me. That was kind of a cracker turn. Block me. Dual cast me? Nah, there's too many targets for the dual cast now. We definitely start with a cheeky FTL. And then a second cheeky FTL. Now we've got some interesting prospects. I think we defrag sweep. Capacitor's bad. Admittedly. I think we just play the big defend. And we keep the multicast. We have made the deck a lot thicker. But things will get more consistent as we go. I did fuck up by not playing the double claw. I can also kill one of you. so I will. In fact, I can maybe kill both of you. Yeah, cool. Give me the hologram. I would like my claw back. That's why we added hologram, by the way. We can just recur the claw. So, if we've got hologram in hand and feral, we can play a claw 3 times for free. This is also something we want. Frosteel 6? Hailstorms, no. And quite interesting. I think it is bulk up. Now, I don't think this boss in particular is super difficult. So I'm going to upgrade the feral. Okay. Now, what I'm hoping for here is not these. So I am, like I said, I'm feeling confident about this boss. But that doesn't mean I'm going to play to lose here. I'm going to use every advantage I have. And that's going to start with feral and bulk up. And then, of course, claw, and then claw, and then claw. This is a fucking awful hand. Let me guess, this is all defensive? I mean, 2 of them are. Okay. Well. Oh yeah, we get to play it twice. Do I want to deal 9 damage or do I want to escape again? Deal 9 damage. Oh wait, the Orichalcum, of course, my son. Oh, well, this sucks. I guess get the capacitor out of my deck. 28. We're taking so much damage. We might need to waste this, unfortunately. Okay. Give me... They're the same damage. You know what? Sweeping Beam has a chance to draw me into a claw. Actually, I think 2 lightning is better. Is it only attack? It is. Okay. Play the FTL. Play the FTL. Play the flash. There's the claw. Tesla coil. Now, the real problem is... he's probably going to hit me this turn. And it's probably going to hurt. Yeah, I think we defrag, double defend. Do we evoke? No, the fight's going to be longer. And we're dead. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so upset. This was such a good run. It had the potential to be such a good run. I mean, we made it to the second boss at least, but come on, man. I just needed a little bit more. Tricked. Now resurrected effective construct. No simple feat even for an ancient. Construct what you lost. Your creator abandoned you. Hides at the top. The defect thanks Niao and heads for the top, seeking answers. Loop is great. Null is interesting. Evoke your leftmost orb. Interesting. I'm upset, but you know what? With that out of the way, we now have every character with a run. And unfortunately, because that was like 30 minutes, we're not going to do a run back because the episode would be 2 hours long if I won. But anyway, for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching, and I will see you next time. And wow, I can't believe I haven't actually won with anybody yet. That is deeply upsetting. For now, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.